Greetings and welcome to Busy from Germany, my dear fellow collectors. My dear fellow collectors, we do a very easy hairstyle song video today. What you see is the result that we have after the styling. It's not very complicated. I think it's called chignon or something similar. And the way to do this is that's our goal for today. For the hairstyle we need 2 of my small elastics and 1 pin. When we take it apart it looks like this. You have 1 elastic here and 1 here, and we put it in under, we tuck it under our chignon in the end, and then we fix it with our pin like this, and then we are ready. I hope you liked my little video. Thanks for watching. See you in the next weeks. Bye! Your Busy Bee from Germany.